Yensan enko Ketabio na enkre free hoba kyerɛ sɛ epoasoche bia no ɔden abɔ the different tidal waves no amesese nimpe bi baabi a wɔte nyina nso na tuo ma free ho a akɔfa how bebre na aba
Medane to sudunkuno afimpinu ene aduonu miensam na esiye na manfo a wonom ete Aborigines Hotel ya eben epono Jerokope Kejikope Abutiakope ene Tamaklobo potamu ahodo na enya nsunsanso obone e wonom so wode hyebo wusu Job ene Keta Mensini Nadmo director enkomo twetwemu ene wode tu dwase wonom ebobo modian se nwa wo ho kaaye e wo saa atorenche mu ni mu no obehwe na wape baabi foforo ama watena.
This morning we wake up with the tidal wave splashing across the Keta Municipal. And so far, we have been to the sites, and the following communities have been affected: Jolukope, Abutiakope, Kejikope, Tamaklobo, and some parts of Keta is being affected.
Sa ehumu a anu odini kamia esa afibia ebisi ewo Keta Mensini nimu ewo fragmentum mu ne bewi achi na mamafo ete honom no ani etutu aka wonsem resenti Keta Nadmo director efasa akonya ne so etu manfo ote sampotamu honom nyina afo.
Yeah, what I will say is that we all know that Keta is below sea level. And as we are speaking, the tidal waves is disturbing us. The lagoon too, because of the split of Akosombo Dam. As we are speaking now, the lagoon is also getting flooded. People's homes are flooded along the area. So what I just want to say to my people, especially those at the beach side, that they should be very cautious. Mostly when it happens like this or it starts like this, in the afternoon it gets west. So I pray and I appeal to all of them that if they have some relative, they should relocate to their relative for now, or if the situation gets worse, they can call our attention and we'll find a place for them or shelter for them where they can be for a meantime.